Stop paying for data recovery softwares. Use this instead. This is WinfrGUI, which is the official graphical user interface of the Microsoft official command line software. This software allows you to completely recover files and folders that you have deleted on your drives. So this software can recover files from hard drives, SSDs, USBs, and memory cards, and it's supported on Windows 10 and Windows 11. This software is completely free, and this is the way you can use it. So here you'll find you have a list of all your drives. So I'm going to show you by deleting some of the things on my drive. So for example, I've got this USB stick here. Then here I've got an Excel document and I've got photos here. So what we're going to do is delete everything in here, as you can see. So we're going to delete all this in the actual drive. So we have the drive empty. So now what we are going to do is come back to our software here, and as you can see, this is the actual drive that has those files that we've just deleted. So now what we can do is select the drive, for example like that. You'll see to update here. Let me just show you that. As you can see there, it will update based off of the drive that you have selected. So we have selected D. So now from here we can choose what is the type of mode of scanning that we want. So we can either choose a quick one, which will not do a deep scan, or we can select deep scan if we have specific files and folders that we have deleted previously, maybe quite a while back. We can use a deep scan. So for this example, I'll use a quick scan. So here what you can do now is click start recovery. So once you click that, you just want to wait for it to do its thing. So give it some time, and as you can see here, you just have to agree to the Microsoft terms and conditions, as you can see here. So we just want to click agree, then we can leave it to do its thing. So depending on the type of scan that you are doing, this might take longer, so you just want to be patient. And once it's done, we're going to look at the next step of what you need to do to now completely recover your data. So as you can see, once it has recovered your data, you'll see how many files it has found. So prior to this video, I did delete a couple of files and folders, so we might find all those in here. So what we can do now is click here, view restored files. So these files are the actual files that I actually deleted. So we can click now the actual files, for example this one here, and as you can see, the file is actually opening. And also, as you can see from here, all these images will actually open. If I click that and I click open, we should be able to see all these images, as you can see from here, because they are fully restored. So this tool is very powerful, and I would recommend you click the link in the description to view the actual site, or you can just open up your browser right now and go to winfr.org, where you can easily click download, and it's 3.9 MB, so it should be very quick to download and easy to set up. So visit winfr.org to get the free copy now.